Hi guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing the different apps that you need to start your YouTube channel in 2022. So I'm going to be sharing the different applications that you need to kickstart your journey as a YouTuber in 2022. I am here today to answer all your mind-boggling questions, to tell you the major applications, the basic applications that you need to start your YouTube channel. So let's get into it. But of course, the first one on the list is the YouTube app itself. You need the YouTube app, so get the YouTube app. That is the first thing that you need to start your YouTube channel. So the second thing is get YT Studio app. Get the YT Studio app. That is the second application that you need. The application helps you to add keywords, add some finishing touches to your channel. So that's basically what it does. I can do a full video on YT Studio if you want me to. So the third application is TubeBuddy. You get TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps you to see your milestones, see the growth that is happening in your channel. TubeBuddy does that to know how your channel is doing overall, and it helps you to put the latest keywords, put different things that will actually help your channel to do better. Number 4 app that you need is you need a Chrome app. You need a Google Chrome app, because there are some things that when you want to do it on your channel directly from the web and not on the app, so you need the Chrome app to be able to do that easily. It's easy to use. I think you can also do it on Safari, yes, but I don't think it's advisable to use Opera Mini and them other browsers. You need Chrome, yes. Or to edit your banners, your channel banner, to do your thumbnail, you need Canva. You need Canva to do all of that, to do all the graphics for your channel. You need the Canva app, and then it's really easy to use. The app is very easy to use. You can easily navigate and just get samples that have already been done that you just customize to your own use, or you can just get a blank page and you just play around, get creative with it, of colors you want on your channel, different things like that that you just play around on the Canva app. So you need Canva. So the next app that you need is InShot. InShot is an editing software. I really like InShot. Actually, I presently use InShot to edit all my videos at the moment, but I'll still try to check other editing softwares. But at the moment, I use InShot. InShot is what I use to edit my videos. There are also other editing softwares. There's Filmora, there's Final Cut, there's Shortcut, there's Adobe Premiere, there's KineMaster. There are a lot of editing software outside. Just check your App Store or your Google Play Store. There are lots of editing software that you can check, that you can play around. And once you have a basic knowledge of a particular editing software, you can use it for any other editing app that you want to try. So yes, but I currently use InShot, and it is really good. InShot has the free version and it has the paid version, but I'm still using the free version, and they still have a lot of things that you can actually play around to make your video look good. For my music, I actually get my music from Olatomatic. Yes, I'm showing it on the screen right now.
To use the Olatomatic, you log in, you open your browser and then you log in into their website, app.olatomatic.com, and then you put the info of your channel. They need this information so that they'll be able to recommend music for you. They check other YouTubers that are making content similar to yours and then show you the kind of music they are using, so that in case you want to use something like that in your own video too. They have different genre of music. They have anxious, they have angry, and then they show you trending audios, trending music that people have been using during the course of the week or the course of the month. Yeah, so I use Olatomatic.
And then you can have free access to different music that you can put in the background of your video to be playing, so that it does not look too boring. Yes, so yeah, that is basically all the apps I have for you today. If you like this video and you want to see more of it on how to start your YouTube channel, or on things that you need for your channel, you can actually ask me in the comment section to make more content like this, and we can definitely work something out. So yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of it, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification so that you know when next I post another video updates. Yes, so see you in my next one. Bye.